Sak pase, sak pase. Allô tout le monde, wap gade Fit the Culture sous Charismagi TV. What up everyone, Charismagi here and welcome back to another episode of Fit the Culture. Now for today's video, I'm going to be talking about Haiti. So I will be sharing with you some fun facts about Haiti, and then later on I'm going to be going into some Haitian proverbs. So I'm going to be saying them in Haitian Creole and then translating them in English and the meaning behind them. As many of you may know, my parents are from Haiti, so I do have Haitian roots. It is something that I've always been proud of. I would never ever be ashamed of it. And even though I grew up and I had a lot of people teasing me or bullying me from when I was younger because of where my parents was from, it is something that is a part of me, will always be a part of me. And no matter what anyone says about the country or how people want to put the country down, I will always cherish that country, and I have so much respect for it because they have been through so much and they are such a strong people with such a rich culture, and they don't get enough credit for how strong and talented and how much potential the country does have. So just a little background about Haiti. Haiti got its independence January 1st, 1804 from the French. And their official language is French because they were colonized by the French, and also Haitian Creole. Haitian Creole is what I'm more fluent in, and it's a really awesome language, and it's really cool once you get to learn it and get the hang of it. And the people of Haiti, so about 95% of Haitians are of African descent because the slave trade and all of that. The remaining population would be mulattoes, Europeans, Arabs, and Asians. The native people of Haiti were the Tainos. They were an Arawak speaking people. In terms of location, Haiti is located in the Caribbean. It shares the island of Hispaniola with Dominican Republic, which is their neighbor. Haitian food is probably one of the best in my opinion, and I'm not being biased. I have tasted a lot of different food, but they have something really special in their taste with their spices and herbs, and some of my favorite would be sospoa, maïmoule, legume, patate, banane peze, griot, all of those good stuff. I miss them so much. Mommy, if you're watching this video, I kind of need you to come make some for me, please. But they have really good food, and they have a really rich culture. In terms of music, compa would be the music that everyone knows that's associated to Haiti. I don't know, it just has this sound to it. You can hear the beautiful playing of the guitar, and it just makes you want to rock away all night long. One of the most famous Haitian musicians, as many of you may know, Wyclef Jean. Also, I don't know if he would associate himself as being Haitian, but Jason Derulo, he is the child of Haitian parents. Alright, so we're going to get into some Haitian proverbs. So many of them, when I do translate them from English, they are proverbs that you have heard before. So I'm going to read them in Haitian Creole first, and then I'm going to translate them to English. So, the first one, Songez la pluie qui lave maillot. So that means, remember the rain that made your corn grow. So when I think of this proverb, I would think that it's talking about remembering your roots and how far you've come from. When you elevate to somewhere higher, never forget where you had to come from, the journey you had to take. Basically not being too proud and forgetting your roots. That's what I take this proverb to mean. Ukon kui upakon kashi. So this one means you know how to run, but you don't know how to hide. And I don't know, this could probably mean different meanings for different individuals, but I would take it to mean you can't run away from your problems. So when faced with a problem, running away isn't the answer. You have to try to tackle it head on, because you can't hide from your problems forever. They will always catch up with you. Bel dan, pas des amis. So this one means just because someone is smiling with you doesn't mean they are your friend. And I believe this is so relatable to so many of us. Like, we know fakeness. So some people will, to your face, they're all smiles and giggles and whatever, but behind your back, they're saying the meanest things about you, or they are wishing bad for you. So this is basically, I guess, saying like, be careful of the people you associate to, and also be careful of people who like share what you're up to, like your plans. Be careful who you share that with, because some people are really hoping that those plans do not come to pass and that they don't become a reality. So be careful who you call your friend them. And the last one is sakipatuyo liagreseo, and that one means what doesn't kill you makes you fat. So another translation for that is a common saying that all of us knows: what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Basically self-explanatory in itself. We all pretty much can have an idea of what that means. And that's it for some Haitian proverbs, and this gave me a chance to brush up on some of my Haitian Creole, and I think I did a pretty okay job on that. So yes, pat yourself on the shoulder, Maggie, you did okay. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing with your life? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also share this video with your friends and families. Don't forget to do road and do things, and until next time, Maggie is out.